Hey guys, Nick here again from Quick Tech, and today we're going to be unboxing the Bose SoundTrue Ultra earbuds. So stay tuned, we're going to see what they're all about. Okay, so on this channel we do a lot of earbud reviews, mostly from mainland China as they ship them in. I don't know how they got my email address, but that's another story for another time. So anyway, these are the Bose SoundTrue Ultras. Now typically, and I'm going to get some hatred, so make sure to drop a comment down below. But typically I've been a Beats guy, okay? I said it. This is before Apple purchased them. I was a big Dre fan back in the 90s. You know, people might say Dre fell off, but everyone knows he was back in the studio trying to get his damn label off. So as a Beats loyal person, I never really stepped into the Bose world. So this is my first pair of Bose earbuds. The reason I pulled the trigger on these was I was combing on slick deals like you do at like 3 in the morning, just scrolling through. I think I bought 3,000 Q-tips that night, but I also bought these earbuds because they were $44 on Amazon, and they're usually $99 to $129. So if I find a similar deal, I'll link that down below in the description. But enough rambling on, let's unbox these and see how they sound. See if the Bose name is really all that it's cracked up to be. You know, nothing fancy about these. They're not wireless. I'm still rocking the iPhone 6S. Thanks, Tim Cook, for slowing down my phone with the battery gate. So unboxing this, so far so good. I'm enjoying the experience. You're greeted with this nice blue Bose cover, almost like a booklet. Wow, and you pop that open and there are the earbuds. Pretty sleek. So a random piece of foam there. And then here you have the Bose earbuds in an X formation. Let's pop those out. And we have some warranty information, a case that I'll never use, ear tips that I may use. These are actually clear white. You have the in-ear canal wrapper as well as a few different earbud tips. That's nice to have. You have a 150-page manual. I mean, I think you just plug them into your phone, and then guarantee. So pretty cool unboxing experience. So let us grab these out of the case here. And right away, I noticed you have a really long wire, which is great. Now this is interesting. You have sort of a T design, which I've never seen in an earbud before. Usually the two earbuds just kind of drape and have a little tiny connector. This has a T, which I'm hoping will protect the cable from dying, like most of my earbuds from Dre actually do within a year. We also have this built-in clip, so you can clip it onto your shirt. And these are kind of marketed towards the active crowd, and you can tell that from the inclusion of the wingtips already pre-set. Okay, so just unbagging the case just for fun. Again, I rarely use cases, but then again, maybe that's why all my earbuds are shot to hell within a year. So, nice case, kind of a canvasy feel. Let's pop it open, and inside it's just kind of a book design. I guess you'd plop your headphones in here, crumpled to all hell, and somehow using the case will make them more durable and last longer. Not sure how it's much different than crumpling these into your pocket, but who knows? Maybe I'll use the case for a bit and see how they fare in terms of durability. Okay, I ran and got my iPhone. Let us plug these in. And to be honest, I've been listening to such a random assortment of earbuds that these have the potential to blow me away. Okay, you have a subtle L and R, so we know which ear to pop them in. The Bose sound, I'm excited to actually get these in my ear for the first time. So let's do that, pop them in. The wingtips work quite well. Immediately, my voice is muffled, so I am getting a great fit there. So let's pop on a track and see if these blow me away. Okay. I mean, first initial impressions are I've listened to a song a million times, and first time popping them in my ears, listening to that track, I think the word that I'm looking for is subtleties that I'm noticing in the acoustic guitar, in the reverb, in my man Stephen Jenkins' voice. I am surprised. The clarity is there. The sound quality is definitely there. Super clear is the only way I can describe the sound. Then you start thinking about, I got these for $44, and amazing. Wow, really super clear. I'm noticing background vocals that I knew were there in songs, but they're just, it's almost a studio sound. There's no other way to describe it. It's as the music was meant to be heard in the studio, no doubt. Each track sounds different from what I'm used to, even using higher end earbuds like the Eddie-Modic, however you pronounce it, and even using, Dre himself, different variations of beats. These are legit in-ear monitors. These are legit in-ear headphones. Now, just reading some literature off the box here, you have a durable design engineered for sweat and weather resistance. So these are good if you're jogging. I'm not sure, they don't really advertise if they're IPX, what number certified. All in all, I mean, I'm giving these an A+. Obviously there are people on the internet that, they hate Bose. Some people hate Beats. I like to keep an open mind, and as a first-time Bose listener, the sound quality is legit. So, again, these are A+, home run. Pick up a pair, especially if you can find them under 99 bucks. The cheap bastard I am, would I pay $129 for them? Probably not. However, if you can find them for 99 or even below, these are a no-brainer. So, that about wraps this one up. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we're going to be having some more name brand as well as off-brand products to review. So stay tuned.